Hey everybody, Sean Mogensen here with Guarantee RV in Junction City, Oregon. Today I want to show you this 2016 Newmar Dutch Star 3736. It's only got 22,500 miles and it's fully loaded. Come take a look with me. Alright guys, here we are inside this 2016 Newmar Dutch Star 3736. You'll see the full instrument panel in the cockpit up front. As we move along the passenger side, you've got the nice love seat televator with the TV come up and down to let you have the light come in when you're not watching TV. In the galley area, you've got a large capacity convection microwave, dual cooktop induction cooking, a large sink. We move back to the half bath, which is very convenient if you have guests or company. We go back behind the driver's side here. We've got the full sofa, the extended dinette with two chairs. There are two more chairs underneath the bed in storage. Large residential dual door refrigerator, slide out freezer on the bottom with ice maker. In the bedroom area, full queen bed, large wardrobe on the full wall side of the driver's side, and then a full bathroom in the back. You got the neo angle shower, full tile floors throughout the whole coach. Thanks for taking a look at this Newmar Dutch Star 3726 with me. If you have any questions, call me, Sean Mogensen with Guarantee RV, 541-780-4981.